The enterprise version of this software enables multiple stores to be defined in a particular program. That is why there are actual specific settings for a store. If you'd like to add a new store and you have the enterprise version, go to Store, Add a new store. To update settings about a particular store, select Store, Update Settings. The first fields on the screen are the store number and a reference name for the store. In most cases, your first store is always Store 1. Enter a reference name that you would like to readily identify this store. Then set up the geographic information for the store it prints on receipts and reports. On the Default tab, you'll find settings for the store name to print on price tags and default entries when adding new customers. For instance, each time a new customer is added, the city will default to Richardson, the state to Texas, the zip code will be blank. However, I can enter 75 and the program will prompt me with a starting zip code of 75, and then I can fill that in. There's an area code, a classification, and a promotion code that can also be set for each new customer automatically. The outside sales option allows you to automatically assign new customers to a billed account. So if you're doing in a situation where you're always assigning new customers to a billed account, select the option and type in or select the billed account that this customer will automatically be assigned to. The Messages tab allows you to set the default messages that will print for any transaction under Store 1. For instance, there's a custom message for invoices, special orders, layaways, gift certificates, store charges, and so on. Simply highlight the radio option and change the message to what you would like it to be. The Pricing tab allows you to set a number of options. The first is how you're going to print your tags and your retail pricing. I can set my tags to print just a retail price and use a particular level. I can also print a compare at price. This is the retail price and this is the compare at level, or I can print just a blank tag. The sales tax rate is your default tax rate for all new sales. If you have multiple taxing components, you would want to select Use an alternate sales tax and select an alternate sales tax that you have set up under the Setup menu. This will allow you to tax separate taxable components. Whenever you perform a layaway or special order, a deposit can be required. Set the amount of the deposit for each type of transaction. You can also automatically discount the retail pricing for everything in the store if you wish. Select the option and set the discount price. The enterprise version also allows you to assign store discounting to a particular contract. Simply enter the contract in the field. The Options tab has other options that are available for multi-store settings and for auto-numbering minimums for invoices and purchase orders. So if you already have an invoice numbering system in place when you get this package, you can set the minimum number both for invoices and for purchase orders. Selecting OK saves all the information.